English conversation practice daily routine.
Hello, Brian. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Ria. I am good. I woke up early today. What about you?
Same here. I woke up at 6 a.m. I like starting my day early. What is your morning routine?
My morning routine is simple. I wake up, stretch for a few minutes, and drink a glass of warm water. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I go for a short walk.
That sounds nice. I also drink warm water in the morning. After that, I do yoga for 15 minutes. It helps me feel fresh.
Great. After my walk, I take a bath and get ready for the day. Then I eat breakfast. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I never skip breakfast. I usually eat fruits, oats, or sometimes bread and eggs. What do you eat?
I like eating simple food, chapati, vegetables, or sometimes poha. After breakfast, I start my work.
What time do you start working?
Around 9 a.m. First, I check my emails and make a to-do list. It helps me stay organized.
That is a good habit. My work starts at 10 a.m. Before that, I water the plants and clean my room a little.
Nice. What do you usually do in the afternoon?
I have lunch at around 1 p.m. After lunch, I take a short rest or listen to music. Later, I continue my work.
Same here. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. too. I try not to use my phone during lunch. It makes me eat mindfully.
Good idea. After work, in the evening, I go for a walk or sometimes meet my friends. What about you?
I like exercising in the evening. I do light workouts for 20 to 30 minutes. Sometimes I play badminton.
That sounds fun. In the evening, I also help my family with small tasks like arranging things or buying vegetables.
After that, I relax for some time. I watch videos, read something, or talk with my family.
At what time do you have dinner?
Usually around 8 p.m. I try to eat light food at night. What about you?
Same here. I have dinner before 8:30 p.m. After dinner, I prepare for the next day, like choosing clothes or keeping my bag ready.
Very organized. Before sleeping, I usually scroll on my phone for a few minutes, but I try not to do it too much.
I drink warm milk at night. It helps me sleep better.
At what time do you sleep?
Around 10:30 or 11 p.m. And you?
I sleep around 11 p.m. too. A good night's sleep makes the next day better.
True. Daily routines keep life simple and disciplined.
Yes, routines make us healthy and productive.
Okay, Brian. Have a great day ahead.
You too, Ria. See you later.